Hi, I'm Chet Kuhn with Medicare Hero, and today I'm going to show you a great tool released by Medicare that's going to help you find out exactly what Medicare covers, what services and items Medicare coverage will actually pay for. And so, as you'll notice, we are on Medicare's website, which is simply Medicare.gov. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see this tool right here called What's Covered. If we click on that, we can enter any item or service we like and find out whether it's covered or how it's covered by Medicare. So I'm just going to start by looking up some physical therapy. So I'm just going to type in physical and we'll see what happens. Here we go, physical therapy. So it tells us that Medicare Part B helps pay for medically necessary outpatient physical therapy. You would typically pay 20% of the approved amount. Now, if you have a Medicare supplement plan, your Medicare supplement plan is going to pay that 20% for you. So you'll have no copay for your physical therapy. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, it will also cover physical therapy, but you might have a copay or out-of-pocket expense for that physical therapy. So that's one great example. Just to do one more quick search on here, let's try a mammogram. M-A-M. Here we go. There we go, mammograms. So it tells us right here that Medicare covers mammogram screenings once every 12 months if you're a woman age 40 or older. And it'll also cover diagnostic mammograms more frequently than once a year if medically necessary. So if they're trying to diagnose a condition, you can get more than one mammogram in a given year. And so this is a great tool published by Medicare to help you find out which services are covered and how they're covered by Medicare. Not only can you come to Medicare's website, which is Medicare.gov, to use this tool, you can also try their mobile app. They have a great mobile app. I just downloaded it myself and it works very well. So if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android phone, you can download this mobile app from your app store and for free and look up all the services that Medicare covers. Thanks again. I hope this helps and happy shopping.